In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable enhanced protection on Google Chrome. Vertical bar quick guide. To start, you will need to open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, move your attention to the top right corner of the browser window. Look for the 3 vertical dots. Click on the 3 vertical dots to open a drop-down menu. After the drop-down menu appears, select Settings. Click Settings in the list. Now that you are in Settings, you will notice a left-hand menu. In that side menu, click on Privacy and Security. Next, within the Privacy and Security area, click on Security. In many Chrome versions, this is described as safe browsing protection from dangerous sites and other security settings. After you open Security, you will find a Safe Browsing section. Inside that section, look for the protection level choices. Chrome typically offers different levels of safe browsing. Under the Safe Browsing section, find the radio button labeled Enhanced Protection. When you see it, click the radio button to select Enhanced Protection. At this point, you have successfully enabled Enhanced Protection. That covers everything you need to know.